Hello students, today's our subject is moral science. Do you know what is moral science? Here moral science means moral values. Moral values teaches us the certain ways of behavior relating to the standard of good or bad behavior and honesty and personal beliefs. Now we recite a poem I can. I can be good, I can be obedient, I can work hard, I can speak the truth, I can share with others, I can be polite, I can be healthy, I can make the world a better place. Here, by these qualities, we can make the world better place. Be good with others, be obedient with elders and youngers, work hard for achieve your success, speak the truth, share your things with others, be polite at the time of talking, be healthy by eating healthy foods, and then we can make the world a better place. Let's start our first lesson. Be patient. Here, patient means the ability to wait calm without becoming annoyed or angry. The ability to wait calm without becoming annoyed or angry. It's a story about a little girl, Meena, who slipped on the steps and fell down. Her friends rushed to inform Meena's mother about the accident and they took her to the hospital. Then doctors said Meena had sprained her leg. Meena asked doctor that she couldn't run or play. Then doctor advised Meena to take rest for 2 weeks. Then Meena asked her mother when she would get better. Then her mother said, just be patient, dear, and all will be well. Then Meena said, I don't know what patient is. Meena hated staying indoors all day. She doesn't want to stay indoors all day. From the window in her room, she could only see the vegetable garden. She heard a tap on the window and looked out. Her mother said, now we are going to plant carrot seeds. I want you to watch over them every day and tell me how long they take to grow. The gardener dug the soil and sprinkled the carrot seeds. Then he sprayed the manure over it. Meena's mother watered the beds. Daily, Meena watched as her mother watered the beds. Then Meena asked her mother, how long will it take for the seeds to grow? Her mother said, don't be impatient, it will take about 2 weeks. Then Meena decided to keep herself busy by helping her little sister, with her studies and complete the lesson that she had missed. Her classmates sent her a get well card that made her very happy. One morning, Meena looked out of the window. Carrot seedlings were just starting to grow. Then Meena visited the doctor with her mother again. She did not like waiting to see him. Then she remembered the carrots and Meena decided that she has to be patient. So here our story is over and the moral of this story is patient is bitter but its fruit is sweet. So your homework is write the poem I Can in your M Science notebook and read this story and write the question answers and moral of this story in your M Science notebook. Thank you.